All right, all right, all right. We're live. Athletic Robots. Yeah. Coming back at you with the 2022 Illusions NFL football. And we got 15 Cellos. So it should be a quick one. We're scheduled to go in 5 minutes at 5 o'clock. Central Standard Time. So we'll go ahead and read the starting lineup, open up the cards, and then we'll do a review at the end of all the hits. We do sleeve anything that's not a base, that is, that's not a base or a base insert. And the hits go into top loaders. And shipping goes out on Monday. Yeah. Maybe Tuesday. It'll be an illusion. You'll never know. But I don't believe Brock Purdy is in this set, so we're looking at, some Kenny Pickett, Sauce Gardners, Garrett Wilsons, and stuff. We do have some unpaid games as well, if anybody's interested. We've got the Seahawks and the Giants. So, Maxwell Johnson, if you're on the broadcast, we need your payment for the Seahawks. Danny Lee, need your payment for the Giants. Otherwise, I'm going to read the rest of the starting lineup, and we're going to get spicy. So James Garrison has the Ravens, Rams, and Saints. Matt Monroe has the Browns, Texans, Colts. James McDonald, Cardinals, Finns. Chad Monroe, Bucks, Raiders. Matt Lynn has the Falcons, Panthers, Jags, Niners, Titans, Commanders. Karsten Geldmacher has the Steelers. Ernest Hargan, Eagles. Chris Crowell, Jets. William Eccleston, Patriots. Steve Lombardo, Vikes. Daniel Stevenson, Chargers. Chiefs is for Thomas Salisbury. Jeffrey Bruce Fogel got the Packers. Darren Rochello has the Lions. Mark Gibson, Broncos. Todd Hightower, Cowboys. James Alwell has the Bengals. Robert Pitts, the Bears. And DJ LaBarco, the Bills Mafia. That's the starting line. How's it going, James? So if anyone's interested in the Seahawks or Giants, $5 a piece. Pretty affordable. So the Seahawks and Giants are available. They're unpaid. $5 a piece if anybody wants them. Otherwise, we'll just go ahead and keep them. And we got 1 more minute until we start, so I'll refresh the group page, make sure everybody's got their permissions and stuff. And it looks like we're good to go. So, oh, you got Seahawks for 15 and the Giants for 10. I didn't see that. So if anyone's interested, 5 each, I will take them, James says. All right, James, we'll do it. All right, so we'll give them both to James. So it's the Seahawks and the Giants. was easy. Alright, so James got him a couple teams. So thank you very much. And I will do half. TJ will do half. I'm going to do 7. TJ will do 8. We do have a lot more breaks today, guys. So if you get into our other breaks today, we'll combine your shipping and stuff. We've got a lot of different stuff going on, so definitely check back. I think the last thing we're doing today is basketball, Mosaic basketball. But we're doing some Mosaic football, illusions, and I don't know if we're doing optic today or not.
Optic is tomorrow.
First pack of the break. These cards are cool. Chris Olave, there you go, James, right out of the gates. George Pickens. Alec Pierce. Funkadelic Christian McCaffrey, that's cool. I don't really know what's like super rare and what isn't. But we'll sleeve that one. Who is this?
Garrett Wilson.
It doesn't tell you on the front. That's funny. But yeah, Garrett Wilson, Operation Detonation. Jameson Williams. Sky Moore. Desmond Ridder. John Dotson. So that was the first pack. Pretty loaded for a Cello pack, really. It's tons of rookies in there. It's like probably half rookies. So you may or may not see numerous of the same rookies. I don't know. TJ and I opened up a couple of these, and we thought they were pretty cool, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Malik Willis. Kenneth Walker. There you go, Hawks. Amazing. Austin Eckler. This must just be a insert. Jameson Williams. Sky Moore. Desmond Ridder. I think we might have had less rookies in that Cello than we did in the first one. So if anybody on the broadcast is familiar with the SPs in Illusions, and you see one, definitely feel free to comment. Because I don't know if any of these inserts are short printed or not. Alec Pierce. Traylon Burks. James Cook. Funkadelic Kyler. So Funkadelic is must be a common insert. Kenny Pickett. There you go, Steelers. Okay. We do upload the video to YouTube as well, so you can always catch it there. Drake London, there you go, Falcons. Jahan Dotson, Illusionist. That's a cool insert. CeeDee Lamb, Amazing. Christian Watson. Yikes. Not very many rookies in that one. Malik Willis. Kenneth Walker. Got another one for you, Hawks. Operation Detonation. It looks like James Cook. Garrett Wilson. You got Jets. Jamison Williams. Sky Moore. So they do kind of vary with how many rookies are in them. Chris Olave. There you go, James. Mystique, Drake London. That's cool. Desmond Ridder. Jahan Dotson. Aiden Hutchinson. There you go, Lions. Last one for me. Yeah, these cards do look cool. I like them. The hobby version have thicker cards, but I believe they look the same. We got a Kenneth Walker again. I bought TJ a hobby pack from the card shop, and I don't remember. It didn't have very many cards in it, but they were thicker. I remember that. Amazing Tyreek. Jamison Williams. Sky Moore. Desmond Ridder. Jahan Dotson. Alright, TJ will do the remaining 8, and we'll call it a wrap. Alright.
Chris Olave. You go Saints. George Pickens. Operation Detonation Nick Chubb. Jahan Dotson. Aiden Hutchinson. Go Lions. Malik Willis. Kenneth Walker. You go Steelers or Seahawks. We got an orange. Jameis Winston. Sauce Gardner. Good Jets. Christian Watson. Traylon Burks. James Cook. Huh. King of Cards, Joe Burrow.
That's cool.
There you go, Bengals.
I've not seen that.
Amazing Devontae Adams. Aiden Hutchinson. Kenny Pickett. You go Steelers.
King of Cards. That's funny. Oh, it looks like a playing card. I see.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is cool. Is it numbered?
No.
That's cool, though. It's like a hollow.
Yeah.
Well, I guess they all. They all.
True. It's like mosaic. You, first glance, you can't tell.
That is pretty cool.
Damian Pierce. Drake London. There you go, Falcons. Kenneth Walker, Illusionist.
That's a hit.
Trayvon Walker. Brees Hall.
Could be worth like $1.25 instead of $1.
True. Is the orange numbered? I don't think so. I think it's
No.
just the Cello's exclusive.
Yep. No, we only have one, Jameis Winston. And it's not numbered.
Drake London again. There you go, Falcons. Operation Detonation, Aaron Donald. Trayvon Walker. Brees Hall. Oh, excuse me. All right, we got 3 to go. Chris Olave, go Saints. Mystique, Brees Hall. And a Mystique, Chris Olave. Oh, wait, is this one?
Yeah, one of them's different. It's orange. It's an orange one. That's the parallel.
Oh, nice.
That's cool.
What's that? Sunburst Orange Mystique Brees Hall Jets. There we go.
Looks like our first hit. Whatever it has to be.
Garrett Wilson. Jameson Williams.
I don't understand why Jameis Winston doesn't get better. Like, I don't know. He just seems like he gets shit on all the time. But he's a good quarterback, I think.
Yeah,
He throws a lot of picks. I think he's
Yeah. He's definitely better than Andy Dalton. I can't believe they didn't start playing him once he was healthy again.
Yeah.
George Pickens. Alec Pierce. Traylon Burks. James Cook. Chris Olave, amazing. Sky Moore. Desmond Ritter. Jahan Dotson. Aiden Hutchinson. Go Lions. All right, last pack of the Illusions Cello Break.
You can do it.
Damian Pierce. Operation Detonation, Jamar Chase. Kenny Pickett. Here you go, Steelers. And it's a Kenny Pickett to end it.
Yep.
Get this cased up and review the hits.
Dang, we should have done 1,000 of these breaks.
Yeah. All right, we got some base hits. Got Kenny Pickett, Aiden Hutchinson, Chris Olave, Garrett Wilson, Drake London, Aiden Hutchinson, Kenny Pickett, Kenneth Walker, Sauce Gardner, Chris Olave, Aiden Hutchinson, Kenneth Walker, Chris Olave, Aiden Hutchinson, Kenneth Walker, Garrett Wilson, Drake London, Kenny Pickett, Kenneth Walker, and Chris Olave. We got some insert hits. Got Amazing Chris Olave, Mystique Chris Olave, Illusionist Kenneth Walker, Mystique Drake London, and Operation Detonation Garrett Wilson. Our hits of the break. Orange, Sunburst Orange Mystique Breece Hall, and the Joe Burrow King of Cards. And that'll do it for this one. We'll be back in about an hour with, I believe, Mosaic Cellos. If it's not Mosaic Cellos, it's Mosaic Hangers. And those auctions are in here in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we'll see ya.
See ya.